Next on TVS, Alfred Hitchcock presents the story of Amanda, whose innocent fun with her brother leads to the discovery of a real gun.
Some people will always trust their sense of taste. Some people will always buy Kroner. Kroner, the rich golden taste.
Use an ordinary conditioner with your dandruff shampoo, and some of your dandruff protection could be rinsed right down the drain. New Head & Shoulders conditioner works with your shampoo to give you more dandruff protection where you need it, not where you don't, while leaving your hair easy to comb, easy to manage. New Head & Shoulders conditioner works with your shampoo, not against it.
Meet Luigi, the best chef in Italy. I've persuaded him to tell us the secret of his famous chicken pepperonata.
The secret is the sauce.
The sauce?
We use just the right ingredients to blend and simmer until
you get a genuine pepperonata sauce.
And we can use our new Flavor Seal carton to keep the freshness in.
Now I can get my knighthood?
Yes, knighthood. Trevor, a word. New classic Italian from Home Pride. The Flavor Seal in until you let it out.
The new Flymo multi-trim isn't just a trimmer. One twist, and it's a lawn edger too. So in next to no time, you can trim all the untidy parts of your garden. The new Flymo multi-trim. Why slow trim when you can fly trim?
If the unthinkable ever happened to you, what kind of insurance company would you rather be with?
If spots made them hide, what could make them turn round in just 5 days? Ask at your pharmacy for new Clearasil acne treatment. It's effective. Ask at the pharmacy counter.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord.
For the past few years, Mercury Communications have been quietly laying the foundations of a new telephone network. That network is now ready. Mercury users save up to 20% on their long-distance and international calls. They get clear phone lines, itemized bills, and customer service round the clock. All over the country, people are switching to Mercury. After all, this is a first. The first time you've had a choice.
On TVS this Friday, action and adventure in Cat's Eyes.
It's a three-pronged attack, and you got the short prong.
Tell 'em eyes front, they'd march off a cliff for you.
Yeah, I'm marching off a cliff for you. Hope it's worth it.
Blackstock runs pearls to the Middle East. Anywhere he can fetch a good price.
Come on, Derek. Come on, Auntie Maggie, you only live once.
A Case for Cat's Eyes, Friday action at 9 on TVS.
Preston Witts presents Agenda here on TVS in half an hour and examines an important issue for you if you're a regular train commuter. That's Agenda at 11:35 this evening. Good evening, this is TVS. And we continue with mystery and suspense in Bang, You're Dead as Alfred Hitchcock presents.